Hey there, my name's Braden, and today I'm going to be taking you guys through how to create a Shopify store in under 10 minutes. Now this is going to be a super easy tutorial, so if you want to follow along, and I highly suggest doing so, use the link down below and it'll give you 14 days free trial, absolutely free. All you need to do is enter your email address, no credit card details at all. So let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, we've jumped into my laptop now and we're going to be signing up for the trial. This is a no credit card required trial. All we need to do is enter in our email, so we're going to be doing that now. Here we go. Now, the outdoorfisherman.shop, this is an email that I've just created, so I'd recommend doing that. So all your emails for your new store go straight towards that email. If you don't already have an email, you can sign up with Gmail. Alright, now we just got to create a password and a store name. Mine's obviously the Outdoor Fisherman, and then we're going to create our store. Alright, so now we have to tell tell Shopify a little bit about ourselves. Now it doesn't really matter, so I'm just going to click playing around. Don't really need help doing anything. Revenue, I'm just getting started, and no, I'm doing it for myself. So you don't really need to tell Shopify this. You just need to put in your Alright, so we've got all our details in. We've put our address in. I've obviously filtered that out because I don't want you guys to be sending me any messages through the mail. But now we're into our dashboard. As you can see, Shopify has a few guides here. These are going to be showing you guys how to do a lot of things, but obviously going to show you some stuff now. So if you want to watch that after the video, go ahead. On the side here, we've got the home. Now this is where all the basic dashboards are going to be, like once you start. The orders, this is where your orders are going to come in when people place orders on your Shopify. There's going to be like a name, what they ordered, where they're from, and all that sort of information. Products, now this is going to be where we put our first product. We're going to do that in a few seconds. I'm just going to show you guys around first. Customers, now this is going to be a big list of everyone who has signed up, either when they've bought something or they've signed up for your mail list. Now you're going to find all their details here, so you can use that for retargeting and stuff. Analytics, this is going to show you guys the visitors, so you get your total sales, sessions, returning rate, the average order value. This is all information you can use to optimize your Shopify store, and it is really a good stop if you want to see how your store is going. Marketing, now this is where you can manage all your marketing, so Facebook, Google ads. You can see how much you've spent on marketing. Now this is like a dashboard inside Shopify, and so you'd link to the outside Facebook marketing and Google ads campaigns. Discounts, now this is where you can create a discount, so say you want to give 30% off for the first people to sign up or something like that, and you can create that discount code just here. Apps, now these things are add-ons that go into your Shopify store. So say you want reviews, or you want a drop shipping app, that you can get that in here in the apps. And then finally, the sales channels. Now this is the online store. This is the actual store that people are going to see. Once this thing loads, we're going to be able to see that it is sorry, I've clicked off it. Once this thing loads, we're going to be able to see that it's password protected at the moment, but you can see the store here. Once we set that up, it'll be ready to go. Alright, so now we've had a look around and a bit of an explore. We're going to jump into adding our first product. So we're going to click on this products tab, and then we're going to click add product. We're then going to create a title for our product, obviously depending on what the product is. I've got a bit of a fishing bag, so I'm going to go Fisherman's All-Purpose Bag. I'm obviously terrible at spelling and typing, so sorry about that. But Fisherman's All-Purpose Bag. We're going to create a short description for this. I'll write that one, and then we'll add a photo. Obviously, if this was a more professional website and it wasn't just a tutorial, we'd fill this description out a bit better, and then we'd add an image down here, which I'm going to do now. So there we go, we got the title, the description, and an image all loaded in. We can then go ahead and put the price. I'm going to put $49.99 as the price and compare at $74.99. So then people see how much they're saving, which is a bit of a trick if you want to make the if you want to add some value, perceived value to this product. You then can have a look at all this stuff. Depends on how you're going to run this site, but you can add all the inventory, so stuff like that, and then we'll go ahead and click save. So there we go, we've added our first product to our store. We can continue setting up our store, but what I'm going to click now is the online store, and we're going to go into themes to set up our theme. We're now going to jump into setting up a theme. So we're going to explore the free themes. Now there's a lot of free themes here. There's 8 free themes, and so we're going to click one that makes us look we're going to go with Brooklyn here because it's got this nice big hero image. It's got the title in the middle. Yeah, I reckon this is going to work well. So right now it's applying Brooklyn. Once we refresh this page, hopefully it is finished. So now Brooklyn has been applied. We can go ahead and customize it. And as you can see, this is really basic in the moment. We've just got the title. We've got our background image, but there's obviously none there, and then we've got an introductory hero banner which we can edit. Everything here is ready to edit. As you can see, we've got our first all-purpose fishing bag here, and so what we're going to do is we're going to edit this page to make it look a bit better. So we're going to jump on in here into our header. As we can see, up here there's a bit of a text. We're going to edit that. We're going to say free worldwide shipping. So there we go, we've got free worldwide shipping up there. We're now going to search the images. We're going to explore free images for a logo. Actually, we're not going to do a logo just yet. What we are going to do is we're going to change this. The way we do that is by going here, explore free images, nature, because it's a fishing, and then we're going to do a outdoor one there. That looks alright. And then we're also going to change our second slide here. We're going to explore another free image. And we're going to go with the nature again. That looks like a nice ocean one, as you can see, very fishing-esque. And obviously you can change this text. You can customize everything in this website really well. We can obviously talk about a brand, add collections, but I'm just going to get rid of these for now. I'll leave the featured collection, but we're going to get rid of everything. And as you can see now, this website's sort of coming together, and it's only been on here for about 30 seconds. So we haven't really done much work, and we've created a really nice fishing website. As you can see, we'll add more products as we go, but that's just been a basic introduction. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump back into, once we click save, otherwise it won't work. I'm going to jump back into our Shopify, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a discount code. So discount codes, we jump into discounts, then click create discount code. So say we want to create a code for the first 500. So we can create a code for the first 500. This is going to give 50% off to the first 500 people. So as we can see, we can limit the number of times this can be used. So we're going to do 500. We're going to limit it to 1 per person, and then we're going to do set discount code. Now this is going to give 500 people 50% off to our website. Now you obviously can change this to wherever you want, but that's just a demonstration of how it's going to work. Now hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you want to check out any of the settings of Shopify, this is stuff that we're going to get into in a later date. But just for our quick tutorial, I haven't jumped into it, but there's obviously a lot here that you need to check. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped you out in any way, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.